Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply different letters to each text on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word colors, and then I want like a different color for each letter. So basically, you're just going to select your mouse and you're going to select the letter and you're going to select a color that you want. For instance, pink, and then blue. And then here again, select a letter. Here, yellow, for instance. And then here again, I want purple. And then here, I want green. And then here, I will choose, another color. It also works for like fonts. So for instance, I want the C to be a different font. I can definitely do that. Like this. And then for the the L, I want it to be like a different font like that. And then for this O, I want it to be another different font. Let's see. Is this not gonna load? Yeah, it also works for fonts, so keep that in mind. But yeah, that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!